Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're gonna see how to activate Nimb Smart Mobile Banking. Firstly, go to Google Play Store and download the Nimb Smart application. Launch the Nimb Smart app on your phone, then tap Not Activated Yet, then let's get started. Input your registered mobile number and account number, then check your SMS inbox for the activation code and enter it. Create a login password, minimum 8 characters, must include letters, numbers, and one capital letter and special character. Then set up a 4-digit transaction PIN for secure transactions. Now, log in with your newly set password and enjoy full mobile banking services like checking balances, transferring money, and paying bills. A pro tip: never share your password or PIN with anyone for security reasons. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.